the same event. It was a lot of fun. I enjoyed seeing all the kids in their triathlon, and it was a really great vibe and a lovely event and a lovely day. So I'm expecting more of the same this year. The sea's a little rough today, so we'll see how that part goes. But I'm expecting it to be a lot more challenging than last year. Yes, and they changed it a bit, but I'm expecting it to be a lot of fun and a great event. And I actually enjoy riding on the bike course. The route that I'm doing this year is a little different. What I loved last year was the scenery, because you're riding, in some points you're riding and you're looking at the sea, and along the coastline, and it's really pretty. You'd be surprised out in the hills of Hellshire how much beauty there is. Really, really, it's a lovely route, the mountain bike.
You follow the road out and you go left to the roundabout, slide down into Hellshire, come back around the roundabout, keep left at all points in time. When you come back here, you go through the finish arch, you don't come back in the transition, finish arch. Alright, come to the side.
Good morning, my name is Del Wong, and I'm here to do the aquathlon, which is the 1000 swim and the 5K run. The water seems a bit choppy, but I'm going to do my best, and this is my second time doing it, so which was last year, and I'm doing it this year again. So this is my birthday swim. I turned 70 the 3rd of March, and I am hoping that I will continue to do it onward.
But course was good. I like the new course going up the hills as opposed to the long run going down. So good challenge. The swim. I got to work on the swim.
Yeah, great event. I mean, I've done a few triathlons, but this one is really well organized, really convenient to get here. The water was the most challenging part by far, but well organized. I had lifeguards out there. The course was nice. It was beautiful. It was a beautiful day. It was great. Next time I have to train harder.
Train.
Expected. I haven't been swimming for a while, so the swim was a surprise that I was not dead last, and the rest of the course was quite good. It was hilly, but I do hills usually, so it wasn't bad.
For me, the triathlon was good. The swim was good because I normally swim. They're riding Albert Road since the last curve though, and that's like a while ago. And the run was really good because I've been practicing my run.
It was a little different because I usually do the triathlon, but today I did the aquathlon and the sea was very rough. The waves were slapping me up and down, but I think the swim was really good and my run was really good as well, even though I haven't been training as much as I like. It was
Don't ask how many people are in the event.
There was 9 people.
No, there's more than 9 people because I finished after him.
So more than 10.
Hi, my name is Neil Williams and this is the second time I've done this triathlon and my third triathlon, and it was as usual very difficult because of the heat, and this morning we had the added excitement of the big waves, and so the swim wasn't as easy as before. The ride was kind of difficult too because we had to go up this hill 4 times. And that was challenging, but the hardest by far was the run, and I don't know, it's because it's the last thing you do and it's in the heat, but it was really tough. And I mean, I started this thing as a runner, and I find that the last leg, the run, is by far the most difficult.